Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the channel. Dubai Financial Market Index does not want to take any rest. It's still looking powerhouse. Last closing is very positive. If you are watching my analysis regularly, I had mentioned this is resistance area that is 3750. Market did not take any pause at the resistance area when it touched right here. In fact, it broke the resistance with one single candle. Yes, there was a successful retest, and from here it's continuing its journey to the upside. Also at the same time, as I had mentioned, this area is resistance that is 4100 to 4150. But looking at last closing, this is the weekly chart by the way. Looking at the last closing, there are good chances it will continue its rally to the upside and it will soon break the resistance of 4150. Let's move down on daily chart and see how the market is performing. Here we can see a nice retest of 3975. Bulls are very strong. Market is in a strong uptrend. I'm talking about the index. At the same time, we can see Thursday session we saw some selling pressure with this red candle right near the resistance that is 4100. But Friday session was very positive. Most of the stocks gave us good opportunity to make money, and now it's trying to go higher from here. Most likely this resistance should be taken out. Overall, DFM index is very positive. One of the heavy weighted stock in Dubai financial market is DIB. But before I proceed with my analysis, let's welcome our new members who joined yesterday. Mohammed Asif and Farhan, you are welcome. Thanks for joining. Now you will have full access to members only videos and you can enjoy your benefits too. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will reply you on top priority basis. This is the daily chart of DIB. We know resistance is at 5.80 area. It tried to cross prior, it got rejected. In Friday's session, I was expecting a upside momentum, but it could not perform and it dropped down. However, it's still positive. We can see it's following this trend line, which is very good. If it opens with a gap up, there are good chances it can continue its upside momentum. Or scenario number 2, even if it spends some time here, make some zigzag and then it will make another big move. There are good chances it can make another upside momentum. So overall, DIB is extremely bullish as long as this trend line is supporting. Whenever it touches here, it's a buying opportunity. Dubai Investments have released their financial results and they are very promising, and I'm seeing one of my favorite setup right here. If you're watching my analysis regularly, I have been recommending DIC right from this moment. When I saw this bullish candle, it broke the resistance and we saw this huge momentum to the upside. I had mentioned it had created a gap right here, so there are good chances it can fill up the gap and we can gain from this upside momentum. However, resistance is taken out that is at 2.43 area. After the breakout, it came down for a retest. This is a good indication that bulls are still active in this zone. Last closing is also positive. What we want to see is follow through of buying pressure. Next target is 2.60 area. However, in case if it opens with a big gap down, there are good chances it can come down to retest the support that is around 2.40 to 2.43 area. Overall, DIC is also looking positive. And of course, Emaar Properties is on a rally. This is the daily chart. We are seeing last closing is very positive. Price is above 7.00, which we were expecting. Also, it's above this trend line that is acting as a support. Tomorrow, if it opens flat or with a small gap up, this is ready to go higher. My next target is 7.40 area. Just in case if it opens with a gap down, I would suggest be careful. Only buy once it crosses 7.09 area so that we can confirm buyers are still active in this area. Overall, Emaar Properties is in a bullish mode. DR is holding up very nicely. We can see it's going through some selling pressure, but however, during the day, they are bulls active in this zone that is around 0.730 to 0.740 area. Last closing is bullish after some selling pressure. As of now, we can see it's trading within this chart pattern that is also positive. Once we see a breakout, I think it will soon cross 0.780. But at the same time, if this is a chart pattern failure, then it can even come down till about 0.715. If this does not hold, we can come down till about 0.700. I hope this does not happen and we see a breakout of this chart pattern. I'm holding good quantities in DR. Most likely I will offload once I see it touches 0.780 area. UPP is also looking interesting. No doubt it's in a strong uptrend. Yes, we saw some selling pressure around 0.740 and from here it's correcting itself. But still nothing to worry, it's still looking positive. It can continue its upside momentum. Strong resistance now stands at 0.420 area. Once this is taken out, it can come down for a retest and then most likely we will see 0.470 area. Guys, before I proceed with Ajman Bank, just a small request here. For regular updates on Dubai Financial Market and Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, please subscribe the channel. Also, after watching this video, if you think it was helpful, hit the like button. It really motivates me to post more contents for you. This is the daily chart of Ajman Bank. We can see after the strong momentum to the upside, it's now correcting itself. So this was the impulse phase and now it's correcting itself. In Friday's session, it has given us a good indication. Although this is a dodgy candle, it means indecisive candle. There are good chances it can stay around in this zone and then make a big move to the upside. My next target is around 2.45. Tomorrow, if it opens with a gap up, there are good chances we will see buying pressure and it will push the price higher. On the other side, it can also come down to retest this strong support area that is between 2.15 to 2.20 area. But overall, Ajman Bank is positive. I hope guys this video will help you plan for coming week. Do not forget to smash that like button for me. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.